Hey guys, Lego D here with a review or mock how to build mock of Tajara, Toa of Air. Hang on. So this is a mock that I came up with myself. Let's take a look at his parts. Well, we have a lot. Here we have 4 of these big, long, green upper arm, upper leg pieces in green. We have 4 of these short upper arm, upper leg pieces. We have 2 in black and 2 in red. And we'll just get a bunch of these parts out. And we have a bunch of miscellaneous technique pieces. We have some, well, we only have 2 Hero Factory parts. Well, more than that, because they have Hero Factory socket joints, since I was running low on pure Bionicle joints as I built the mock. There's a lot of technique pieces this set, so it's gonna be kind of wild trying to build this. Even though you see, even though I didn't deassemble the torso first before I started, sheesh, I sure had a lot of I had to put a lot of technique pieces just to make it look good. So hang on. I think that's almost everything. So that's everything. A bunch of them. There's no rolling pieces I can roll away. 4 of these upper arm, upper bone pieces. With 2 in black and 2 in gray. 1 big chest armor piece in green with 7 pin attachments there. The torso pieces in black, and then a whole bunch of socket joints. We have a few in gray, 2 in gray and 2 in yellow, and then the rest are all in black. There's the socket joints. We have, let's see, 4 feet. We have 2 winged spiky feet and 2 of the Hero Factory feet. These are in black. 2 of these pieces, which are Inferno Blades, or they're used on his wings, silver. And then 4 lift arms borrowed from Speed of Demon. 1 Kanohi mask with I just put the clay there for fun. This would be Kanohi Akaku now. 2 armor pieces in green. Head pieces. We have the glow piece in the transparent green. As the eyes right here, and 1 axle attachment and another pin attachment, and then we have the head with 1 axle attachment for the mask. Mask has an axle attachment right here, so we can push it in there, and so places where the eyes go, and then 1 circular pin attachment right there. And we have let's see here, 2 of these Gresh blades in green. So that's it for parts. Let's get to the build.